Hey friends! Today we're going to do an amazing clean girl makeup look, so if you're ready, let's get started. Here's what we'll need. Moisturizer, BB cream or lightweight foundation, concealer, blush, cream or powder, neutral toned eyeshadow, mascara, skin prep. First things first, a smooth, healthy complexion starts with good hydration. Dot your moisturizer across your face and gently massage it in. Foundation and concealer application. Apply your BB cream or foundation with a brush or sponge, making sure to blend it well. Then, let's hide any imperfections with concealer. Blush application. Now, let's add a subtle flush to our cheeks with some blush. Just sweep it over your cheekbones from the top down for a natural look. Eye makeup. Brighten up your eyes using a neutral-toned eyeshadow. After curling your lashes, don't forget to add mascara to give your eyes extra depth. Finish up by moisturizing your lips with some lip balm, or if you prefer, you can use a nude lipstick for a natural look. And that's it, friends. Our clean girl makeup look is complete. Doesn't it look so fresh and natural? I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the like button, comment below, and subscribe.